Mark, RPM Tesla. We've got a couple of great new items to show you today. This is the first one. This is a Kleenex dispenser for your armrest. So in your Model 3, organization is something we all seem to like. We love to have places to put things like our center consoles, our trays, organization. There really is nowhere to pick Kleenexes. This is a great little unit. Let me show you where it fits. So this Kleenex dispenser is just simply comprised of 2 packs of Kleenexes, which we give you, along with the clear ABS plastic shell, and it simply opens up like this. And guess where it fits? Right in the armrest. You pull off the double-sided tape, you slide it in, it fits perfect, and it's really convenient. You can keep a lot of things in here, but we think Kleenexes are a real good idea. So we're going to show you how to load it up, how to put them in, and then how to install this. This will take about 2 minutes. First, all you want to do is get your 2 Kleenex packets we sent you. And we think that this works good as a dual dispenser. You can use one, buy another one. They're available anywhere, any kind of drugstore. Just line it up like this, and you're going to pull the Kleenex tab down and wrap it around the back. And this is for the upper one. So once you do that, you're ready to go. You're simply going to pull the Kleenexes out and use them as you need them. When you run out, when you want to replenish them, you'll just drop a new pack in, put 2 of them in at a time. It fills the container up nicely, simply like this to replenish. So let's put it inside and then we'll show you how to load it. And again, all we're going to do is clean up with the tape we gave you around the edges to make sure the double-sided tape it fits, and then we're gonna put it right inside. So just peel off the red double-sided backing tape. All right. Okay, once you have all 4 pieces off, come inside and follow me. You're gonna slide it in, but you're also gonna clean all this with alcohol to make sure it's very clean. So let's get a little closer and just simply put the bottom in and the top, line it all up, and just push it straight in. Like that. And it fits perfect. Nice and flush. You can see it from different angles. And that's it. Now you just open it up like this, close it, and let's load the Kleenexes. Stay right there. And we want to load the second one here. This one will be closed. Just simply open it up, put it inside, slide it all the way down. Fits very nicely. And this will be the one, of course, you'll be using when you're getting a Kleenex. So you want to make sure that this comes out easy. Just put this one right in top, like this. And we're going to load this in here. Like this, and that's it. So it fits perfect. You always have one like that when you're going down the road and you're going to sneeze or you want to wipe something off your beautiful seats. Just open it up, pull one out, the next one's ready to go, and it's perfect. Fits nice and flush, opens and closes. We call it the Kleenex holder. Again, you can put anything in here you want.